as you can see, since you last came here, we've now actually got a roof on, so we're almost watertight. We just need to do the doors on the front now to make it secure, totally watertight. We've had the fire safety brigade come around and have a look at the building to assess where we need to have fire exits. So we're going to be putting 2 fire exits in, one in this red container here and one on the end of the yellow container over there. And then it's a case of getting all our health and safety equipment in. Once all our health and safety equipment's in and we get passed off by the fire brigade, we can then start doing sessions. So I'm aiming for mid to late September, but that's going to be very much dependent on us getting our fire and safety stuff in and the assessment done. And we're looking to be doing initially doing sessions on Tuesdays and Thursdays, 10 till 1 o'clock each week. Depending on how many people we've got involved, I think we can only have probably about 10 people in here at any one time. So depending on how many people we get involved, we may expand that further during the week. So we might go, say, like Tuesday afternoon as well, do an extra session. And as I was just speaking to the young lad and the lady there, we may even look at working on the odd Saturday weekend, because people might want to be involved, but they've got work, so they're sort of missing out on it. And so yeah, this side of the container here, this will be sort of basically purely mechanics, so it'll be engines, axles, gearboxes, etc. We'll strip the whole thing back, every nut and bolt, and basically assess everything. The chassis will sit there, it'll get re-welded, it will go off to be sandblasted, it will come back to be re-welded, sorry. And then we're also going to have a spray booth over there eventually. And we could try and have everything in-house, and then we'll put it all back together and then get the next project. But at the minute, I'm aiming, like I say, I'm aiming for mid-September to late September start.